Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to turn on or off the forward safety feature on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now you need to choose the setup button. So this is the last button from the right side, and now you need to choose the vehicle. So in my case it's the first option, the first icon with the car. If you tap the vehicle, you should be in the driver assistance tab, so the first tab from the left. And now let's choose here driving safety. As you can see, if you open the driving safety, you've got the driver assistance options, and one of them is forward safety. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature. As you can see, this is like a provision of a warning and vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. So if you would like to have this enabled, let's just leave it with this checklist. You can also choose here the forward safety warning timing. Right now I've got late, so I will be informed in the latest possible way, but you can choose normal. So in my case, maybe let me choose normal to have more time to react. Alright, let's go back and let's just leave it like that. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.